The K11 schools of fitness sciences are a one-of-a-kind brick-and-mortar schools for people who want to become personal trainers, nutritionists. It has always been the fact that a lot of people relocated from cities where our schools were not there and literally stayed over for 6 months to a year to complete our courses. Well, the COVID-19 happened, the lockdowns happened, and we had to adapt. And we started off our attend class from home program. The practical module is not something that we can do over video conferencing. The way we teach form and technique hands-on, where one master trainer takes care of no more than 6 students and literally drills the form and technique into them, we require a lab. Thanks to our collaboration with the best equipment manufacturer in the country, Being Strong, the collaboration is in the form of K11 LABs equipped by Being Strong equipment. They're biomechanically correct, they're robust, and hence we love the fact that our labs are kitted out with Being Strong equipment. The labs will be standalone in various cities. The lab that you're watching in the video is the first K11 lab equipped by Being Strong in Kolkata. Yes, Kolkata, we're back. The next labs that have been planned are down south, one in Kochi and one in Bangalore, and we'll be soon announcing other cities where we'll be launching the K11 lab equipped by Being Strong. And this is going to basically include a lot more cities in India where people who are interested in our courses do not need to relocate at all. So pretty excited about it, and thank you, Being Strong.